Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Snipe It. Start by preparing a server with LAMP stack, a domain, and SSH access. Create a database and user for Snipe It and secure credentials. Download Snipe It and extract into your web directory with correct permissions. Configure. Env with DB, mail, and app keys, then migrate and seed the database. Test the install by creating an asset and logging in. Follow the sequence. Update packages, install PHP modules, Composer, and MariaDB. Set PHP time zone and memory limits for Snipe It. Use Composer install, generate app key, run migrations, and seed. Configure mail settings to send invitations and alerts. Create an admin user and secure the application with strong passwords and HTTPS. Schedule regular backups and document configuration steps for future restores. Quick recommendation: if this guide helped, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. On another note, I recommend a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with learning asset management and budgeting. Check the description for the link and deals, and consider picking up a copy to complement your learning. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for permission errors on storage and bootstrap folders, fix with chown and chmod. Check PHP version and required extensions if migrations fail. Verify DB connection details and socket or port issues. Inspect web server logs for 500 errors and enable debug mode briefly. If email fails, test SMTP settings with external tool and update. Env. Document troubleshooting steps and share them with your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.